Best auto disconnect USB cable for the item description. Max 2A charging for iPad. We choose Premium Cooper Core. It can support Max 2A charging current for iPad, saving your time. 10,000 plus bend test. Adopting high-end TPE material, it is bare 10,000 plus bend test, not easy to break down. Gold plating interface. Anti-oxidation, can reduce resistance and ensure durable usage and high-speed transmission. Noodle shape, no knots. Noodle shape can prevent knots, easy to carry and use. Charging speed. For all iPhones, IPOs is 1A output, all iPad is 2A output max.